how to change default PDF viewer on Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default app that opens up PDF files on your Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is open up the My Files app on our Samsung phone. So I'm going to swipe up and under Samsung, I will select My Files. So once in the My Files app, find a PDF file you want to open. So I'm going to go to Docs, and then here's one right here. Now, all I need to do is long press on the PDF, and then at the bottom, select More, and then select Open With. So now it's going to bring up all the apps that are capable of opening PDFs on my phone. And all I need to do is select the app and then select Always, and then it will open that up in that app. But if I go back to the Files app and open up a different PDF, you can see that it opens up in the app that I assigned as the default now. So I've changed the PDF viewer on my Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.